What's going on, everyone, man? Funny story, actually. I didn't even know the Pixel 3a came out today. I actually thought it was like coming out like a week from now. I even watched that keynote and everything, but I uploaded that last video, which usually I stop there at 2 uploads. So this is an extra upload. We're going to unbox the Pixel 3a. And like I said, I didn't even know it was released today, so I guess we're just going to have to wing it. A lot of comparisons. Oh, I already scratched the box. A lot of comparisons coming tomorrow, all that good stuff. So surprisingly, I mean, I'm not expecting too much craziness from it. I mean, I'm expecting it to be a very good phone from what I'm hearing, but I am going to test it, compare it, and do like a first review a week from now. But surprisingly, before I even get into it, this phone, it was supposed to be like $399. That's what they like claimed it as, Google. And actually, when I went there to buy it, I was already like kind of set on $399. And I think that's super respectable for a phone of this caliber. But the thing is that when I bought it, it actually turned out to be $399, okay, but they also gave me a $100 gift card. So that was really cool. So it really came out to like $299 or whatever, but plus tax, so it ended up being like over $300. But that was like super nice of them to do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut into it. Now this one does not have that same thing that Apple does, where it's like you peel it or whatever. Well, actually maybe it does. Well, it doesn't matter, who cares? And they say cut away from you, so make sure you guys do that. Ah, I scratched myself, oh man. Alright guys, you guys gotta be careful. Alright, let's go ahead and bust it down for this Google Pixel 3a. Alright, we got it. Alright, cool. So that's the box. So it comes upside down, actually. Wasn't expecting that. Usually they come upside right up or whatever. So we're gonna put that to the side for now, and I actually cut myself pretty bad, but I'm okay, I'm not bleeding. So this is the box. You guys probably don't even care about this part. Inside you get the booklet, you get the charger, you get the charging brick, I assume somewhere. It might be in here actually. Yep, they put the charging brick right here, which is kind of funny. I was expecting them to put it right next to it. And this actually low-key looks super, I don't know, it looks a little different. I might be going crazy, but it does look a little bit different to me. It's not a big deal though. It's a lot blockier than I was expecting it to. I thought it was going to be a little bit smaller, but who cares? Nobody even cares about that. You got a USB Type-C port to a USB Type-A port, so that's pretty interesting. I'm not even going to take that out for now because I really don't care, but there's really nothing else. That's pretty much the unboxing experience. Nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. I think it's going to be pretty interesting. Pretty much the same thing as always. Guys, I swear to God, every time I make a video, I get dumber and dumber every day. Alright, so this is the... Oh, you hear that? I think you guys make it a bigger deal than it really is, but let's see if this thing has any juice in it. And it does. Alright, that's awesome. Now, in my opinion, in first glance, you guys are probably not going to like me saying this, but honestly, it doesn't feel as premium as I thought it was going to be. I mean, for like $300 or $400, whatever this thing was, I wasn't expecting like the world and back, but low-key, it actually doesn't feel that premium. It feels a lot less premium than the Google Pixel 2 or the Google Pixel 3. And in fact, this thing actually kind of feels like my iPhone 5C, which I wasn't expecting to. I thought it was going to feel a little bit more premium than this thing, but I kind of think that the iPhone 5C feels a little bit more premium than this thing. The iPhone 5C does have a little bit of glossiness to it, so I don't really understand what's going on there, but that's pretty crazy. Jeez. And I know you guys don't like me throwing my phones, but that one actually doesn't work anymore, so it's okay. So I guess we're going to go ahead through the setup and everything, but on first glance, what I can tell you is, before even using it, because that is obviously for the full review and the comparison, so wait until tomorrow for me to use it, but on first glance, I think it looks pretty good. I think it doesn't feel like a horribly... Honestly though, if you guys want me to tell you honestly, I don't think it feels as premium as I thought it was going to be. I'm actually surprised they would make something like, in my opinion, my iPhone XR definitely feels way more premium than the Google Pixel 3, which you guys might say it's expected, this and that, but the iPhone XR is definitely more expensive than the Google Pixel 3a, but that is actually kind of surprising in my opinion. I wasn't expecting this thing to feel that cheap, but it's not horrible. I have to remember what the market is. They're not trying to market it to someone like me who expects a lot from a phone, but even me, like, I don't expect that much. But I guess it's whatever. I'll give my full opinions later on. It does have the headphone jack up top, so that's awesome. But if you guys have any questions or you want to see something specific from the Google Pixel 3a, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. It'd really mean a lot if you guys could check those out, but more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.